Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to explore and download free and paid workflows from n8rent.io. Find over 300 workflows. First, I went to the official website, N8N Workflow. Here you can find a lot of amazing workflows. Some are free and some are paid. I scrolled through a few examples to get an idea of what's available. I also used the filters to see the free and paid options. Next, I opened the Chrome Web Store, searched for N8N Workflow Downloader, and installed it in one click. Once it's installed, I went back to n8n.io and selected a few workflows I liked. With the extension, I can easily check multiple workflows and download them all at once. It's super useful if you want to save time. I also tried the Copy JSON feature. It allows you to copy the JSON code of a workflow and paste it directly into your N8N project. It's that simple. So, if you work with N8N and want to download workflows easily, give this extension a try. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.